Here we are, we finally finished the old 125, as you can see from the riding clips, and it's all ready to go up for sale. Quick look around it. So I got it MOT'd last week, so it's all road legal. New back tyre fitted, of course, the new chain and sprockets, the new exhaust, as you can hear, is a wee bit probably louder than it should be for a 125, but hey ho. And I'm quite pleased with how the whole thing has finished up. So I was going to keep it as a winter hack, but frankly I've got too many motorbikes as it is, and I'm keen to keep the Royal Enfield. So alongside the BMW, the 125 is a bit surplus to requirements. But she's looking good. End of the project. A quick recap on what we did. So first off, the swing arm was in a bit of a state, so I got the swing arm off and got that rubbed down and repainted. Replaced the drum brake assembly and got that done, so it's looking good. Both wheels off, got them cleaned. The exhaust, the original stock exhaust was rotten, so replaced it with a complete new Lextech stainless steel exhaust system. Apart from that, really it was just clean over front to back. The whole thing was just in a hell of a state, needing cleaned up. Got all that done. A few little bits and bobs. The rear tyre needed done for the MOT, so that got replaced. Things like new instrument bulbs and stuff like that got done, and that's it. Not a bad wee run around. So project done.